off to the Cleveland Caravan and Camping and Boating Show, whatever it's called. Boating, what's it called?
Caravan 4x4 Camping Boating Show.
Alright, it's a show. Stop. Yeah. Let's see on the other side.
Charger.
Oh, look, there's 2 beds. Hi, I'm home.
Hello.
It's 67, what was it? 69, I think. Double, is it? Oh, there's a bed up there.
You get this all the time.
Every time. Oh, that's good. Very fun. We've got 3 bunks and bed, camera, TV. When you're doing, so you could put people here, eh? But it's straight into the beds. Double bunk. Looks like it'd fold down. I could live here. Well, they have a washing machine. Huge.
This one's
And what? Oh, it's only.
a massive kitchen.
There's no. There must be a washing machine down there. And it's got 3 beds, but it doesn't. It's got the different shower. I like the one so you could put the plug in.
That little bolster is for the head of the bed, as far as I'm aware. Or some of them you'll see there's a little thing that you pull out at the end of the bed.
To make the bed longer. That's that's what it is. Yep.
But us short people are okay. We don't need the bolster.
Yeah, I'm not tall. Old already. Take one of. Oh, so put your awning up. All of them. Steve, like less weight, or do you want more space? So that's the kind of